Hi children, today I am talking about algebra. Listen here, algebra. Class 6 onwards. This is useful for 6, 7 and 8. 6 onwards, we are starting algebra. Up to 6, arithmetic, only numbers we are doing, number system, numbers. All operation with numbers only. Now, what is the difference algebra? Variables also occurring. Till now you studied 5 plus 7, that means 12, or 7 minus 9. Integers you started, 7 minus 9, that is minus 2. All are the numbers, or 5 into 0, 0, 0 divided by 10, 0, 10 divided by 0, or 100 divided by 0. Sir, not defined. Any number divided by 0, it is not 0, not defined. What I am telling, this all are arithmetic. Now, algebra I am talking about variables also. Variables also. That means plus variables. Till now, numbers only. Here, variables also. Textbook definition you can see in class 6, combination of constant variables on their operation sign. That is it. Now listen here. Suppose you know variables x, a, b, c, x, y, z. These are called the variables. And constant, what do you mean by constant? Constant, always constant. 1, 2, 3 or 100 like that, the numbers. Constant. You have 100 rupees, I have 100 rupees. Both are same. But your x and my x are different. That is why variable, it is varying from person to person, place to place, time to time, like that. Suppose I have y things, I have y, I have 2y, and another boy is telling, sir, okay, me also 2y, or 3y, 2y. Do you think I have 2y means, can you see what is my y? Nobody can say, I have to tell, I have 2 cars. He is telling, I have 2 pens. That is like that only variable. But I have 25 rupees, and she is telling, sir, I have 25 rupees. Both are same. That is constant. Variable means it is varying. Constant, always constant. Now, algebra means variables also. What is that? Now, constant I told you, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that it is going on. You cannot say which is the highest one. But you know, in maths, only 10 digits. Numbers are formed by digit, that is infinite. Many are there. 10 digits are there, you know. 0, 1, 2, 3, up to 9. Numbers are formed by digits. That means 2 digits number, 3 digits number, like that it is going on. Now, constant, I am telling it is like digit, it is a digit, constant. Other thing, variables means literal numbers we can take. Now, variables plus, variables also, variable plus, that means arithmetic I can add, or combination of constant and variables and their operation. What is the operation sign? Yes, 2 into y, that is 2y. So operation is there, into, or x minus 7, or 10 plus m. Or we can say s square minus x plus y. decimator, this all are algebraic expression. Or in short, we can say express something in math that is called algebraic expression. I told you algebra. Algebra literal numbers also. Don't confuse only literal numbers. Some are confusion there. X, 2x plus 3y, x plus y. No. X means 1 into x, that. 1 into x. So, combination of constant variables on their operation, or arithmetic plus variables. Am I right? Or express something in math. How can you express? Sir, you are seem to be very happy or very serious, or you are angry or you are happy, you are very or something. Suppose I am angry or hungry, something like that. You are feeling like that. Now rain is there, you are feeling fresh. Sir, math can feel like that. Outside thundering there, or rain is there. Math can? No. Math cannot laugh. Math cannot cry. You are telling express something in math. Yes. Mathematical expression is like this. 2x, 3m minus 1, x plus y. Mathematical expression. That means using algebra. What is the use of algebra? Very lengthy sentence, an English sentence or mathematical sentence, we can make it short. That is the use of algebra. Many use are there. Many formula. We are making formula using algebra. Generalization of mathematics. This is very important. Dear children, up to 10, you have to study maths, right? Maths is always needed. So algebra, more than 50% of maths is algebra. You can use your brain like a puzzle. You can do, you can enjoy. Without formula, you can make the formula. Generalization of mathematics. So be careful and study properly. Algebraic expression. I told you algebra. Then I told you about algebraic expression. Listen here. Algebraic expression. See the spelling. Algebra. Algebraic. Algebraic expression. Express something in math. Algebraic expression. This algebraic expression. 10 plus m algebraic expression. These all are algebraic expression. Now here algebraic expressions, study the spelling. Break is the see algebra, algebraic expression. Now be careful when you are doing algebraic expression. Many things are the polynomial, monomial, binomial, like that many things are there. Don't confuse. Monomial means one term, binomial means two terms, trinomial means three terms, like that four term quadrinomial, like that is going on. These all are called polynomial. Don't confuse. Poly means many. No, polygon, you know polygon. You studied polygon. Now I am talking about polynomial. Understand? These all are all algebraic expression with power whole numbers. That is called polynomial. Special kinds of algebraic expression, that means power whole numbers, that is called polynomial, but that is higher class, 9th onwards it is. No need now, up to 8. Now here, algebraic expression, I told you, expressions are formed by terms. Expressions are formed by terms. Listen here. First I told you, express something in math. Okay, so 3x or 5y minus 2. Now, algebraic expression. Expressions are formed by term. Suppose here 3x minus 5. Since I am telling, you know, two terms are there. Which are the terms? 3x minus 5. This is the algebraic expression. So, two terms. See, 3x and here another term. This is 3x is one term, and second term is, be careful, that is not 5, that is minus 5. Here what I want to say, these are terms. Algebraic expressions are formed by terms. Expressions are formed by terms. Okay, now terms are formed, listen here, these are the factors, 3 into x, 3 and x, this is minus 5, that minus 1 into 5, minus 1 into 5. See, these are called factors. You can write this one. Algebraic expression, expressions are formed by terms, and terms are formed by factors. Understand? 3 into x, 3x, this is a one term, 3 and x are the factors, and 3x minus 5, that is the expression. Here I told you terms. Terms are very important, dear children. Terms are very important because when we are doing operation, especially addition and subtraction, terms are added. Look here, like terms are added. We cannot add unlike terms. We can add like terms only. Another one, terms are separated by addition. Now please concentrate on terms. 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 Terms are separated by addition. What is this, sir? Subtraction means change the sign and add. Now, A, B, C, 3 ABC. How many terms are there? Only one term, yes, only one term. Because terms are separated by addition. You can see that, you study that. In your textbook class 6 and 7 it is there. Addition. Addition or subtraction. Subtraction is change the sign and add. 3 ABC. Here no addition. 3 into A into B into C. So it is a monomial. One term. Monomial means one term. One term only, that is monomial. But be careful, 3 or 13x plus 2y. Here you can see two terms. Here into, here plus. Here it is binomial. Binomial, that means two terms. Binomial. 13x is the first term and 2y is the second term. And terms are separated by addition. Terms of factors, 13 into x, 2 into y. Now listen here. This is one term, but A minus B plus C. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Separated by addition. Okay, your addition. Change the sign and add. I can make this one. A plus minus B. You know that. A plus minus B plus C. So, three terms. That is triangle. Trinomial. Trinomial. Three terms. Like that, four terms. It is going on. What I want to say, terms are separated by addition. Are you following me or not? So, after that, next module, I will tell you about the addition of operation of terms, operation of algebraic expression. Unlike term, unlike fraction, you know that. Unlike terms and equation, algebraic expression to equation. Okay then, thank you.